Hi, Ellie here. Today I'm going to review the Ooni Koda 16 and the Roccbox pizza ovens. I own a number of pizza ovens. I've been collecting them over the years and reviewing them as I go along. I can offer my real honest thoughts and tips on how to use these ovens and share my experiences with you as I go forward on my pizza cooking journey. I've been using these two ovens for 3 years. Let's go over the main features of the Koda 16. The Koda 16 has a stone that is large enough to cook pizza up to 16 inches in. Its powder-coated steel structure provides a modern and appealing aesthetic, considering the oven can reach temperatures of over 500 degrees centigrade. The dial is located on the side of the oven for ease of access, and the stone can be removed and turned over. It's a portable oven and can be stored easily away. It's a gas-only pizza oven. Let's go over the main features of the Ooni Roccbox. The Ooni has a stone that can cook pizza up to 12 inches. It cannot be removed from the oven. Its outer cover is made of soft touch commercial grade silicone, and it's available in 2 colours, olive and grey. They also currently have an edition Roccbox called the Tom Ooni Special Edition, which I think looks amazing. It's all black. The Roccbox also has the option of using a wood burner, which is sold separately. I don't really use the wood burner in the Roccbox much, as I prefer using it with a gas burner. But when I do, I heat it up with a gas burner first, then switch the burner over to the wood burner for a wood-fired pizza cook. So what are the differences between these two ovens? Firstly, and most importantly, I think that the Koda 16 and the Roccbox pizza ovens cook super pizza. And by that I mean the following. They both have very well designed gas flame burners that provide a lovely flame similar to a wood flame. A flame that is not fierce, but one that gently touches the edges of the pizza. There is a difference though. The Ooni Koda 16 has a gas burner that sits on 2 sides of the oven and not just at the back. That extra side of flame gives the pizza a faster cooking time, as it's cooking 2 sides of your pizza at once, rather than one. At the beginning, when I bought the Koda 16, I thought that having a 2-sided burner would be more of a challenge for me, making sure that 2 crusts of my pizza wouldn't burn at once. But that didn't happen, because the Koda 16's flames are gentle and wispy. The flame isn't fierce, and there is plenty of room on its 16-inch stone to manoeuvre your pizza out of trouble. It's lovely and bright inside the oven due to the large flame area at the back and side. The Roccbox has one round burner at the centre at the back of the oven, and the oven is smaller in size, and so it comfortably provides a rolling flame that covers the whole pizza. It's not as bright inside as the Koda 16. It's similar in that way to the Koda 12. The opening of the Koda 16 is wide, and this provides great visibility. For me, knowing when to turn and seeing your pizza cook is really important, especially if you are new to pizza cooking and pizza ovens. You can also use both of these ovens to cook cast iron pan dishes, and my pan can fit easily into both, but the Koda 16 does have more room. They are both easy to heat up and keep hot. The Roccbox, once heated up, does particularly well at retaining the heat inside. They are both easy to use and would be great pizza ovens for both beginner and experienced cooks alike. So if I had to choose between these two ovens, I would opt for the Koda 16 due to the size of the flame burner at the side and back, and also because it's bright and easy to use. They are therefore a great investment if you are looking for a pizza oven. They are both well-made, designed, solid ovens. Check out my pizza oven review videos. We have reviewed all of the Ooni pizza ovens as well as the Roccbox. We also have real-time pizza cooks and pizza cooking tip videos up every week. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. I'm also learning from you as much as I'm learning from using my pizza ovens. The experience is for everyone. Let's be on this journey together. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.